Good day, everyone. So here, let me teach you a quick tutorial on how to format the copied text from ChatGPT to Google Docs. Because as you can see, if I'm going to copy the text, okay, on the ChatGPT, so let me copy first the ChatGPT's answer or response. So Control C for me to copy this, and then let me paste it on Google Docs. So let me paste it. So as you can see, when you paste the copied text on ChatGPT, there is a like a shade at the back. So how are we going to format that one? So what are we going to do is to just simply Control A to copy all the text and then click the format here, click format, and then click paragraph and paragraph styles. And then kindly go to borders and shading and then right click. And then as you can see here, kindly change the background color and click none. Once you click none, then click apply. As you can see here, there's no already a background color on the copied text from ChatGPT. And then Control A once again, and then click black. And then you can now do any format that you want related to uh, your chosen style and design. So